Hello everybody, well finally winter's on its way. Check the weather out, what a miserable day. It's been about 4 weeks since I last come down to the boat, so it'd be interesting to see what the state she's in at the minute. Whether I've had birds nesting in the cockpit, I'm not sure, and it's anyone's guess when you leave them for 4 weeks. I know there were a bit of growth on the bottom of the boat last time I left her. I kept trimming it just so I don't have to drag her out of the water. But yeah, we're gonna go out there today, find out what she looks like, and strip her down now, ready to come out and prep her for winter jobs. Just take notes now of what the winter work is going to entail and what the cost is, which is not something you want to know when it comes to boats. Everything's expensive. But yeah, Davey's prepped the dinghy. It's all ready to go. And for all of you that's been watching me, some may have seen the dinghy and seen some like ragtag foam all around it, and this is the famous foam that you can see. The reason for the foam is when I get out there, I tie her to the back of the boat, and when the tide changes, slack water comes and that becomes free floating and tends to sort of start beating on the big boat, and she doesn't like being beat on. It causes damage, which we don't want. Damage gets expensive, very expensive. So yeah, we'll get ourselves out there now and see what it looks like. Don't know what's up with Davey. What's up, Davey? What are you looking at? I know it's dark. It's winter. The night's growing a bit sooner. No, you mean it's really dark? Yeah. Miserable time of the good old winter. Soon be summer, Davey. We'll be busy. Well, as I approach the boat, she's turning green. Oh dear. Back around. Yeah, she was yellow, but now she's growing. She's I suppose it's called going green, isn't it? Yeah. This is what happens to them. End up full of growth when you leave them in the water. I don't know if it's worse on a river than it is anywhere else. I assume everywhere's the same, no matter what condition the water is. So yeah, we'll see what the inside's like, because well, my bilge pump gave up as well last time I saw her, so it'd be interesting to see if there's any water in there as well. I know it were risky, no bilge pump while you've left it for 4 weeks. So yeah, we'll go back in and we'll see what she looks like. Supplies. Gotta keep the sailors well fed. But this is a routine pretty much every time coming out. Bring food and water, basic clothes depending on the season, and Mr. Davey Bones. I'll let you talk to the guys. Oh, sorry, David. What's that, Davey? Hurry up. You could have undone the door while you're up there. Now I'm stood there watching me do everything. over crack. I've forgotten how to get up here. It's been a while. Yeah, okay. Not planning to dive overboard just yet, so take this off. Like the new top as well. Thought I'd try some samples on t-shirts and things like that. I don't know if anyone will be interested in things. If you are, let me know and I'll get some printed up for you and sent out to you. Just email me at madcatsailing.com and yeah, just give me your details, what you'd be interested in. There is a few ideas that's already on my website if you have a nosy at the shop. It's not really set up at this point. It's something that's possible in the future depending how all this goes, if you're enjoying what I'm doing. If not, I think it's just time to give up, I think. But I'll give it a go. Keep going. Yeah, well, I've just come on board and I've lifted the floor up here to see what the bilge looks like, and I'll show you the bilge. There is some water down there, but it's not too much of a concern. It's coming from elsewhere, the water. It's just when the bad weather, you tend to find the littlest of holes will give you the most jip when it comes to water. Water finds a way. I'm sure I've heard that saying somewhere before. But yeah, that's my water. That's my float switch. It got jammed on a couple of weeks back, the float switch. Not a couple of weeks back. It's been over a month since I've seen the boat. But yeah, the float switch, it had been running for 2 weeks since I left after the cows trip, and it turned out the float switch has got jammed for some reason. Something inside it's managed to jam and kept the switch running, so it were running for 2 weeks with no water or anything going out of it, and it just killed my battery. So that's one of my jobs for the winter. I need to put a new switch in for the bilge pump now. And I'll probably reroute the pipe as well, because it wasn't giving the best flow rates when I tested it. There's nothing quicker to get rid of water than a man with a bucket. If there's plenty of water down there, then yeah, it'll do the job definitely, but I'm going to rejig a lot of things. I'll show you a lot more jobs in the daylight. It's going dark now. I've arrived quite late in the day, so yeah, I'll see you in the morning and show you the rest of my jobs to do this weekend. See you all in the morning. Nighty night. Morning, campers. It's a bit chilly.
Pretending that we could never make it. I know you know it, I know you know it, I know. In the late night, when the lights out, can't escape now. We lost. Gets me every time in the moonlight, and I can't get out. Baby, I know, baby, I know.
Forget about my weakness. You're staring out our face. You're looking at a place. We're totally addicted to both.